Okay friends, in my last lecture I have explained you noun and the number. In the last lecture we have learnt up to the rule number 4. Okay, now in this lecture we will learn some more rules how to convert singular number into plural number. Okay, so up to the rule number 4 we have learnt in the last lecture. Now I am going to start here from rule number 5. Okay, in this rule number 5 I want to tell you, if we have some words like the words have vowel in the last and its prior digit or later is another vowel. It means that, like example, suppose bamboo. This is a word. In this word we can see that this O is vowel, and before and to this letter the prior letter is also an vowel. In such situation we will use its plural by adding ash in the last. Okay, what is the mean of bamboo? Bamboo है ना, एक बांस होता है, and if we are making plural of bamboo it becomes bamboos. Okay, है ना, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे है ना components की बात हो रही है, so bamboos will be the plural of bamboo. Okay, another example is folio. We will make its plural by adding s, it will be folios. The similar rule will apply here. This is vowel and I is also vowel. Okay, if vowel comes before vowel then we will add s. Next is video. Okay, so the plural of video is videos. Okay, so by adding s we will make its plural. Okay, now we come to the next rule. Here is rule number 6. Suppose any word like this, calf. What is this word? Calf. Calf का मतलब होता है बछड़ा. Okay, in this word we can see here in the last letter is f or ef. What is the letter? F or ef. In such situation we will remove or replace this f by using ves. So this is the singular, and what is the plural of calf? The plural of calf will be calves. It means that more than one calf. Next is self, है ना, हमारे घर की अलमारियां. How can we make its plural? Selves. We will replace this f by ves. Half. Half का मतलब होता है आधा. Okay, how can we will make its plural here? Half will be converted halves. We will replace f by using ves. Okay, so we have learned here, if any word has f or ef in the last, we will replace these letters using ves. Next rule, rule number 7. the exception of the rule number 6. In this rule, the words will be as similar to the previous one in the previous rule as we have learned. Okay, in this rule also the words is as similar to the previous one, but there is exception. Like I am writing here a word chief. What is the meaning of chief? Chief means a person who is suppose a principal man, है ना, एक मुख्य आदमी है. Okay, so here is chief. How can we make its plural? We will not use VES in the last. In such situation, we will add S. CHIEFS. Okay, so here we are using S for making its plural. Belief. 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 Okay, how can we make its plural? Beliefs. Next is cliff. What is the meaning of cliff? Cliff का मतलब होता है चट्टान. Okay, how can we make its plural? We will make its plural by adding S in the last. It will be cliffs. So we have learned here, this is the exception of the rule 6. In the English is a practical language. We cannot attach ourselves with any of fixed rule. The rule changes and grammar has some exceptions. So in the rule number 6, we have learned that any word having EF or F in the last, we will make plural of that particular word by using VES. But here we are using S. Okay, my dear friends. So I want to say you, we cannot attach ourselves with a firm rule in the English grammar. Okay, there are some exceptions and we have to learn this language in a practical form because it is a more practical language. So some rules will violate somewhere. Okay, so we have to use any rule by learning its practical aspect. Okay, so now we will come here at another rule number 8. What is the rule number 8? Okay, in the rule number 8 we will make plural by using some singular nouns if they have vowel in the middle of their spellings. Suppose food. Okay, what is the meaning of food? Food का मतलब होता है पैर, एक पैर. अगर हम इसका प्लूरल बनाएंगे, है ना, this will not be foods, it will be feet. Okay, so what is the plural of food? Is feet. What we have done here, we have replaced these OO from EE, matlab we have replaced double O from double E. So in this rule, I want to say you, if any word having vowel in the middle of their spelling, we will replace them completely. Okay, हम उन्हें बदल करके plural बनाएंगे. Like goose, this will be right as geese. Okay, so here is also the plural of goose is geese. Okay, man. Yes, man is only a single person. But if we want to make its plural, it will be man, MEN. इसका मतलब है एक आदमी, इसका मतलब है बहुत सारे आदमी, है ना, MEN. Okay, another example is woman. It represents only one person. Okay, and if we want to make its plural, we will write here women, WOMEN. Okay, so by using this rule, by using this process, we will make some plural words. Okay, but it is a different kind of rule. Yes, we will learn another rule. Now we come here on the rule number 9. In the rule number 9, we will learn how to make plural of some compound nouns. Compound nouns like brother-in-law, in-law. Who is brother-in-law? He is a one person, and if we want to make its plural, we will use as brothers-in-law. Okay, so you may see here we have attached as at this position. It has been brothers-in-law, मतलब बहुत सारे brother-in-law. Next is father-in-law. Okay, so we will again use s here and make plural. Okay, so father-in-law has been converted in plural form, fathers-in-law. Okay, another example, stepmother. Stepmother मतलब सौतेली माँ. Okay, if we will make its plural, we will use here s in the last. So it will be step mothers, है ना, बहुत सारी सौतेली माएँ. So these are the compound nouns, and in the case of compound nouns, we will use some different rules. We will use as at some specific places, like in brother-in-law we will use as here, in father-in-law as here, and stepmother as in the last. Okay, so this was the rule number 9. Now we come to here next rule. Okay, rule number 10. Rule number 10 says that few words have some different kinds of nature, like manservant. This is also a noun has made by two words. One word is man, another word is servant. If we are making its plural, we will change in both the words, in man and in servant. We will write this man servants. Okay, it shows that there are many men, they are servants. Okay, so here is only one man who is servant, here are many men, they are servants. Next is Lord Justice. Okay, if we are making its plural, it will be Lords Justices. So here we are also changing in both the words Lord and in justice. Lord will be lords and justice will be justices. So we have learned here in rule number 10, only adding s is not enough in one word. Okay, if we are making compound noun, in such situation there are two words and we have to change in both the words, then this singular word will turn as a plural word. Okay, so this was the rule number 10, and in the last I want to share some words with you. They are not following any rules, they are foreign words and they have some singular words and they are converting to the plural, but they are not following any rule. Okay, so we will discuss some foreign words, they are converting in the form of plural. First, addendum. What is the meaning of addendum? Addendum का मतलब होता है कि कोई कार्यक्रम हम है ना कर रहे हैं या कोई हमने प्रोग्राम बनाया है, दिस इज अ सिंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम. एजेंडम, इसका प्लूरल क्या होगा? एजेंडा. सो देयर इज नो रूल, वी कैन मेक इट्स प्लूरल बाय कन्वर्टिंग इट एजेंडा. एजेंडा का मतलब होता है ना कोई जो प्रोग्राम हम कर रहे हैं उसमें है ना बहुत सारी चीज़ों को मिलाकर के कुछ हम काम करते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड एजेंडा. Okay, it is a plural of addendum. Erratum. What is the meaning of erratum? Erratum का मतलब होता है अगर कोई गलती हमसे कभी हो जाती है लिखने में, है ना, it is a one kind of error. इसका प्लूरल होता है errata. Errata. Okay, next is excess. Excess, you know very well. Excess, its plural will be excess. Crisis, its plural will be crisis. Next one, datum, its plural will be data. Okay, what is the meaning of datum? है ना, ऐसी कोई बात जो हम जानते हों, है ना, जिसको हम अच्छे से पहचानते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड डेटम एंड इट्स प्लूरल विल बी डेटा. है ना, ये जनरली नंबर्स के फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है जब हम कोई आंकड़ों का कलेक्शन करते हैं, इफ वी आर कलेक्टिंग सम डेटा, है ना. सो देयर इज अ सिंगुलर वर्ड डेटम, देयर इज अ प्लूरल वर्ड डेटा. ओके, दिस इज फॉर्मूला. What is the meaning of formula? There is mathematical formula. We have learnt in mathematics. Its plural will be formulas. Okay, and we may also make its plural formulae. Formulae. Okay, so we can write its plural in by two types, formulas and formulae. And in the last there is thesis. Okay, what is the meaning of thesis? Thesis is a work is being done on scientific invention. Thesis, its plural will be thesis. Okay friends, so these were the examples given by my sides. There are a lot of examples, but we cannot write each and every example on the board. So I am giving you some examples. They are not following any rule. They have been made in the form of plural and we have to learn it, like addendum, agenda, erratum, errata. There are so many examples. They are coming from the foreign languages, and English language is made by so many words brought from the other languages, other foreign languages. So in this lecture we have learned that how can we convert singular number to the plural number. So we have covered this topic, noun and the number, in two different videos. So I hope so you have learned that something about noun and the number case. Okay friends, if you have learnt it and if you think that you have got benefited something from my lecture, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel so that you may get my further videos. Okay, thank you so much.